Welcome to Audio Shelf. Today our topic is financial market and its various types. Important points on money market, capital market and their instruments. Money market. It is a market for short-term debt securities such as commercial paper, repos, negotiable certificates of deposit and treasury bills with a maturity of 1 year or less. Capital markets in India. It is the market for long-term funds. It refers to all the facilities and institutional arrangements for borrowing and lending medium and long-term funds. Money market versus capital market. Money market. Market for short-term financial assets. Capital market is for long-term financial assets. In money market, maturity period is less than 1 year. In capital market, maturity period beyond 1 year. Money market deals over the counter. Capital market deals at stock exchange. Money market number of players limited. Capital market number of players unlimited. Money market is regulated by RBI and capital market is regulated by SEBI. Major money market instruments. 1. Certificate of deposit CD. 2. Commercial paper CP. 3. Interbank participation certificates. 4. Interbank term money. 5. Treasury bills. 6. Bill rediscounting. 7. Call or notice money. Terms relating to money market. Call money. Money lent or borrowed for 1 day. Notice money. Money lent or borrowed for a period of 2 to 14 days. Term money. Money lent or borrowed for 15 days to 1 year. Yield to maturity. Expected rate of return on an existing security purchased for the market. Coupon rate. Specified interest rate on a fixed maturity security fixed at the time of issue. Call or notice money market operations. Under call money market, funds are transacted on overnight basis and under notice money market for 2 days to 14 days. Participants include banks excluding RRBs and primary dealers PDs both as borrowers and lenders. Non-bank institutions are not permitted in the call or notice money market with effect from August 6, 2005. Calculation of interest payable is based on FIMMDA's, that is Fixed Income Money Market and Derivatives Association of India, Handbook of Market Practices. Instrument of government borrowing. To meet the temporary receipt and expenditure mismatch, government obtains overdraft from RBI under ways and means advances. For short-term liquidity, it issues cash management bills, treasury bills of 91 days, 182 days and 364 days maturity. For long-term funds, it uses dated securities in the form of bonds or long-term loans. Treasury bills. These are the instruments in the form of promissory notes of short-term borrowing by the central government, first issued in India in 1917. TBs can be purchased by anyone, including individuals, except state government. Minimum amount of face value of rupees 25,000 and in multiples thereof. Maturity 91 days, 182 days and 364 days. Treasury bills are zero coupon securities. They are issued at a discount and redeemed at face value at maturity. Cash management bills CMB. CMB introduced on 11/8/11 is a short-term security to be sold by Government of India to raise temporary money for cash management needs. The tenure is less than 91 days, but the notified amount and date of issue depends upon the temporary cash requirement of the government. It is issued at a discount to the face value through auctions, as in the case of the treasury bills. Dated securities. These are long-term securities and carry a fixed or floating coupon interest rate paid on the face value, payable at fixed time periods, half yearly. The tenure of dated securities can be up to 40 years. Public Debt Office of RBI acts as the registry or depository of government securities and deals with the issue, interest payment and repayment of principal at maturity. Ways and means advances, WMAs. WMAs were introduced as per an agreement between RBI and government. WMAs are temporary overdrafts by RBI to government, central and state under Section 17, Clause 5 of RBI Act. WMSs replace the earlier ad hoc T-bill system. WMAs bridge the time interval of mismatch between government expenditure and receipts. Duration 10 consecutive working days for central government and 14 days for state government. Other money market instruments. Certificate of deposit. This scheme was introduced in July 1989 to enable the banking system to mobilize bulk deposits from the market, which they can attract at competitive rates of interest. Who can issue? Scheduled commercial banks except RRBs and all India financial institutions within their umbrella limit. CRR or SLR applicable on the issue price in case of banks. Investors, individuals other than minor, corporations, companies, trusts, funds, associations, etc. Maturity, minimum 7 days, maximum 12 months. In case of FIs, minimum 1 year and maximum 3 years. Amount, minimum rupees 1 lakh, beyond which in multiple of rupees 1 lakh. Interest rate, against collateral of CD not permitted. Nature, usance promissory note, can be issued in dematerialization form only with effect from June 30, 2002. Commercial paper. 1. CP introduced during 1990 is a short-term money market instrument issued as an unsecured usance promissory note and privately placed. 2. Who can issue commercial paper? CP. Companies, primary dealers, PDs, and all India financial institutions, FIs. 3. A company is eligible to issue CP if A. Its tangible net worth as per latest audited balance sheet is not less than rupees 4 crore. B. Sanctioned working capital limit by bank or banks or all India financial institution or institutions. C. The borrower accounts are classified as a standard asset by financing bank or banks or institution or institutions. And D. Minimum credit rating from SEBI approved credit rating agency CRA is A3. 4. Maturity. Minimum 7 days and maximum up to 1 year. 5. Amount minimum rupees 5 lakh or multiples thereof. Collateralized borrowing and lending obligation CBLO. CBLO, an RBI approved money market instrument, is developed by CCIL for the benefit of the entities phased out from interbank call money market or given restricted participation in terms of ceiling on call borrowing and lending transactions and who do not have access to the call money market. It is a discounted instrument available in electronic book entry form for the maturity period ranging from 7 days to 90 days, can be up to 1 year as per RBI guidelines. Merchant banking. Merchant banking stands for providing various services relation to capital market and financing the corporate sector. The merchant bankers provide consultancy to the corporate sector on the issues like finance, capital structure and investment, mergers, takeover and amalgamations, establishing coordination between the government and the corporate sector. Capital markets in India. A. It refers to all the facilities and institutional arrangements for borrowing and lending medium and long-term funds. B. It is segregated into 1. Gilt-edged market and 2. The industrial securities market. C. The gilt-edged market refers to the market for government and semi-government securities which are traded in the market in stable value and are sought after by banks and other institutions. D. The industrial securities market refers to the market for shares and debentures of old as well as new companies. This market is further divided as primary market and secondary market. The primary market refers to the setup which helps the industry to raise funds by issuing different types of securities which are issued directly to the investors, both individual and institutions. The secondary market refers to the network for subsequent sale and purchase of securities after these are issued. Indian Depository Receipts (IDRs). IDR is an instrument in the form of a depository receipt created by the Indian Depository in India against the underlying equity shares of the issuing company. In an IDR, foreign companies would issue shares to an Indian companies would issue shares to an Indian depository which would in turn issue depository receipts to investors in India. Thank you for watching this video.